Magandang gabi po. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng activity sa module 1. Find a website where you can check for vulnerabilities using Zapper checkmark. Then create a video using the message explaining the types of attacks you detected in the solution. The video should be recorded using OBS video face visible in your voice. So, step by step, go to download. Na-download ko na siya. Then OBS meron na rin. Then use, yan, meron na rin tayo. So, susunod, open Zap. And Windows Firewall has blocked some features of the platform. I-allow natin siya. Yes. Untitled session. Okay. And quick start. Enter the test. Start. Saan dito yung quick start? Hindi ko pa kabisado na. Standard. Ayan. Dito ako ng quick start. Enter the test website URL. The PC is click attack to start an automated start. Copy natin yun. Then, sabi lang. Attack. So, yun. Ganito siya mo. Attack. Fail to start connect for Fairfax. Ito na. Siguro ito na yung na-scan niyang automated sa isang link website. So, next step natin is identify the types of attack, SQL injection, database security. Once that alerts section in the Zap, click down natin yung alerts. Alert. Paste. Alert. Eto. Ito na yung alert. Tapos, alert. For each vulnerability found, explain what it is, how to fix it. Hindi ko pa kabisado. Siguro yun lang. Kung paano lang siya may attack. Ayun. Dito na yung mga security niya. Parang ipasok mo na. Baga ganun. So, yun lang po. Paggamit ng Zap.